In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to compress image size in online free of cost without losing image quality. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. I want to compress this image. Now right click and go to property. Make the image size is 1 MB and the dimension is 1200 into 630 pixels. Okay, the size will be compressed but dimension will not change. Okay, go to a browser. In address bar type imagecompressor.com. Imagecompressor.com. Now hit enter. Click on upload files. Select your image and click on open. The image is uploading and now compressing the image, and it's compressed 63%. Okay, 63%, 61% you will find 398 kilobytes. If you want to compress more, look, 379, 299. You can change it 210. Then click on apply. I'm not going to compress many more. Just now click on download. The file has been downloaded. Now I'm going to open this compressed file. Property. Look, the file is 379 kilobyte, but still the dimension is 1200 into 630 pixels. Dimension is still unchanged. Now I'm going to open the image. Now this is the image I have compressed, and I'm going to show you the original image. This one the original image and this one the compressed image. The image quality is not reduced. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.